everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. This is my second video of today, and here I am back with a beautiful fresh stock of pure silk handloom Irkal sarees. These Irkals are of the price 11,500. Beautiful combinations. Most of them are in Resham top pallu. I will just start showing you the sarees so that there's no delay. We have quite a few in this video. Now this is the first one. It is not off-white and black. It is like a very light pastel shade of beige, or I don't know, copper beige or that kind of a shade. Hard to describe, very hard to describe, but it's definitely not off-white. That I would like to mention here. A beautiful saree. The fabric is very good, very richly woven fabric. This is the beautiful border, sorry, pallu. Okay, it has a nice temple design, simple temple design, classic sarees. All the sarees have, most of the sarees have contrast blouses. So this is the first one. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Each and every combination is beautiful. I know you all are going to just fall in love with these sarees. So this is the next one, fuchsia pink. Now this one has a slight reflect, orange pink reflect, but it's not exactly a duchang color. Okay, I'll just come a little close and show the color. Bagata better. Okay, this is how the borders will look together. Okay, and this is the lovely. So this one has a zari top pallu. Okay, a very pretty piece. This one is mostly 12,500. I just confirm the price on WhatsApp. Most of the sarees are 11,500. This is the saree. Please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful color. Now this might look a little dark in the camera. Okay, it might look a darker blue. It's a beautiful fresh shade of blue. Yeah. Okay, a very pretty fresh blue with a carrot pink kind of a border. Neither pink nor orange is the border color. A very beautiful saree. This is the pallu, and this is the lovely blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a gorgeous piece. Beautiful parrot green and red. A vibrant combination. This is one of the classic combinations in Irkal, if you ask me. Very beautiful. This particular shade of parrot green is something you should look out for always. A very beautiful saree. This is the Resham pallu, and this is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next saree. The next saree, we got so many inquiries for this particular combination after, especially we posted it on Instagram, I think, right? So we had posted a set of yellow Irkals on Instagram, and we got too many inquiries for this particular combination. This is Sangha. It's a lovely fresh sunshine yellow with a beautiful Rani pink border. It's reddish. I wouldn't call it reddish, but yeah, it's a deeper shade of Rani pink. Yeah, and this is the lovely pallu. Resham top pallu. This is the saree, and it comes with a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a stunning black. Now so many of you were asking that do we have black Irkal sarees? We are hardly getting any black Irkals from the viewers, but this is one beautiful piece. It's black with pink. A very pretty combination. Ekda light bandal rakha black saree. Very beautiful combination. Black and pink. Remember, this is handloom silk, so you might feel there are some thread irregularities here and there, some knots of thread, some marks, but just trust me, they are not defects, they are just handloom irregularities. You can flaunt them with pride. Okay, this one has a zari top pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, so this is the saree. Let's move to the next one. I hope you've taken a screenshot by now. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very beautiful grey. It's like a pastel grey light on it. Okay, a very pretty color. beautiful combination. Again, we had many enquiries for this particular combination as well. I'm just going to show you the irregularities that I was talking about. See, can you see this thread mark here? So these kind of thread marks you can definitely see on handloom sarees, and do not worry, you can just accept them as handloom irregularities. This is the beautiful color. It's a bluish grey, nice bluish pastel grey with a rani pink border. This is the pallu. This is more like a fuchsia pink, I feel, when I actually see the blouse and the pallu. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next is a very, very beautiful parrot green and black. Now this parrot green is slightly intense than the parrot green with red that I showed you. So this is like an intense color. Again, I'm going to come close and show you all some irregularities here and there, or maybe. So this, just like you see in the raw silk, you will see these kind of irregularities on these sarees. So don't worry at all. The saree silk is excellent quality, nothing will happen to it. This is the gorgeous pallu, Resham top pallu, and a contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. Last saree. The last saree of this video, a bluish green color. Now this one is a slight dupe chow. I'm just going to move it around slightly. Again, I'm also going to show you some irregularities because I just want to be as transparent as I can in terms of, you shouldn't feel that we sent you a defective piece. So these are not defects, these are just very pretty irregularities. Just like in any raw silk or tussar silk, you see these kind of marks on handloom sarees. Okay, so this is the next one, a Rama, beautiful Rama green with a deep red pallu. This is the lovely pallu. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our beautiful Irkal collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. We have many new sarees in store. We have a beautiful Navratri Diwali festival lined up. We'll be posting about it very soon. Stay tuned, keep watching. Thank you.